Hey guys, at the heart of every successful society lies business. Whether big or small, businesses drive economies, create jobs, and open new paths to progress. Today we'll explore why business matters and how it can transform lives. Business is not just about making profits. It's about solving problems, fostering innovation, and meeting the needs of society. From food and education to healthcare, everything reaches us through business. Small businesses are the backbone of communities. They not only strengthen local economies, but also bring people together. A small business can change lives, whether it's the entrepreneur or the customer. In the age of technology, business has taken on new dimensions. Online businesses, e-commerce, and digital marketing have turned the world into a global village. Now you can sell your products and services to the world from the comfort of your home. Business is not just about making money. It's also about connecting people. Behind every successful business is a strong team working together toward shared goals. The success of a business isn't just measured in financial gains. It's also about building confidence, independence, and creating positive change in society. So why not turn your business dream into reality today? Whether you have a small idea or a big plan, every successful business starts with a single step. Business isn't just a way to make money, it's a way to change lives. So start today and turn your dreams into reality. Start your business. Turn your dreams into reality.